Hidden within the ancient rocks of Morocco lies a treasure from a world long gone, a world that existed over 350 million years ago. Today, we're diving into the story of one of the rarest trilobites ever discovered, the Akantherges Mbareki. This isn't just a fossil, it's a window into the Devonian period, a time when life in the oceans was thriving, and trilobites ruled the seas. Trilobites are one of the most iconic creatures of the Paleozoic era. These arthropods roamed the oceans for nearly 300 million years, evolving into thousands of species. But the Akantherges Mbareki is special. Found exclusively in the Devonian layers of Morocco, this trilobite is a masterpiece of natural history. Its intricate spines and detailed exoskeleton are a testament to the complexity of life during this era. Imagine the Devonian seas, warm, shallow, and teeming with life. Coral reefs stretched for miles, and fish were beginning to dominate the waters. But trilobites like Akantherges Mbareki were still thriving. Their spiny bodies were not just for show, these spines likely served as a defense mechanism against predators like early sharks and cephalopods. Look at the details of this fossil. Each spine, each segment of its exoskeleton, is perfectly preserved. The Akantherges Mbareki had a unique, almost otherworldly appearance. Its elongated spines and robust body made it stand out even among other trilobites. Fossils like this are incredibly rare, and finding one in such pristine condition is like winning the paleontological lottery. Morocco is a hotspot for fossil hunters. The Devonian rocks in this region have preserved an incredible array of marine life, from trilobites to ammonites, but the Akantherges Mbareki is one of the crown jewels of Moroccan fossils. Its rarity makes it highly sought after by collectors and researchers alike. Fossils like this aren't just beautiful, they're also incredibly important for science. They help us piece together the puzzle of Earth's history. Each fossil tells a story, and the Akantherges Mbareki tells the story of survival, adaptation, and the ever-changing nature of life on our planet. Owning a piece of history like this is a privilege. It's a reminder of how ancient and dynamic our planet is. The Akantherges Mbareki lived in a world that no longer exists, but its legacy lives on in fossils like this one. Fossils like this are fragile, both physically and scientifically. They require careful handling and preservation. For collectors and researchers, they're not just objects, they're pieces of Earth's history. And for those of us who get to see them, they're a reminder of how small we are in the grand timeline of our planet. The Akantherges Mbareki didn't live alone. It shared its world with a dazzling array of life, ammonites with their spiral shells, early fish with armored plates, and coral reefs that would put modern ones to shame. Together, these creatures formed an ecosystem that was both fragile and resilient, much like the ecosystems we see today. When we look at this fossil, we're not just looking at a rock. We're looking at a story of survival, adaptation, and the incredible diversity of life. It's a story that continues to unfold, even today, as we uncover more about our planet's past. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible trilobite, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fossil adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our ancient world.